everything. Got it, Felix. That thing wasn't holding up with very much nothing, huh? Yeah, we can say those, right? Yeah. It's good wood if we, in case we need a brace over there, huh?
We gotta use it.
Oh, you're gonna make a bracket, huh? Block. All right, today we're putting brackets in, tap cutting them to the concrete, redoing them up here. All right, we're changing out the post in front of the house that holds the house up, holds this little porch up. And why we're doing that? Because it dry rotted. All right, the previous contractor didn't use the correct brackets, or they used what was up to code at that time. All right, so we went out and got the correct brackets. All right, so we're replacing the brackets and then putting in the new brackets. What this does is it keeps the water from hitting the bottom of the pole. All right, so when the water keep hitting the bottom of the pole, let's go see the pole here. When it's not on the bracket to keep it off the water. So when it's not on the bracket, automatically water gonna eat wood away. So then it erodes and rottens out the wood. But when it sits on this bracket, and this bracket has to be tap conned down into the concrete so it doesn't move. All right. The result of the other pole we just took out. It's all tore up and rotted out. And here is the new poles. Okay, so Felix is getting the bracket back. Those are red nails, Felix? All right, he's putting red heads in. They expand when you put them into the concrete like that and you twist them down, they expand to lock it in. All right, today what we're doing, we're coming out to some of my properties, some of my rental properties. When we change this one out, we got to make sure we put another post right beside it to put all the weight on it and jack it up and then remove this correctly. Because if you remove it incorrectly, the carport could fall. So you got to be careful. All right, we working again, y'all. 9714. Making sure everything is level and plumb. Call if you need our services. Thank you. In the concrete. All right. Wedge anchors. Check it out, folks. And what is that, a bracket you have there?
4x4 bracket.
Four.
Wood post off the ground. Water
4x4 post bracket. Pre-drill a hole. Get the red head in there, screw it down. It expands so the post don't go anywhere. All right, today we're doing a little maintenance over here at one of our rental properties. All right, we're changing out the pole. As you can see, we got the jack. It's jacked up because we got to have support. There has to be support when we take out that pole there. Or the porch could come down, carport. What are you doing right now? What is that, Felix?
lifting it up to bring that wedge up tight.
All right, this is the new post. And this is how it's gonna look over there when he finished. Changed out 3 posts this morning. All right, we're changing out the front posts. Why are we changing them out? Well, they dry rotted at the bottom. Code changes every year, all right? Or every other year, whenever they change it. And they were sit. All right, that's a bracket that he's putting in there, and the pole is gonna fit in there. And this pole to the left is just a support pole that we have jacked up. Up, put one nail to hold it up, and then we jack it up. Or are you gonna jack it up some more? Perfect.